chocolate cake recipe.
Oil-based chocolate cake recipe.
So
Let's go.
For this recipe, we need 500 grams of flour, 800 grams of sugar,
800 grams of sugar,
then 2 tablespoons of baking powder,
2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2BS,
then 4 eggs,
4 eggs,
300 ml of liquid milk. That's, we are using Hollandia UHT.
300 ml of liquid milk, Hollandia ULC,
Then 300 ml of vegetable oil,
300 ml of vegetable oil,
2 cups of warm water,
2 cups of butter,
2 teaspoons of chocolate flavor extract,
2 teaspoons of chocolate flavor
then
extract,
150 grams of cocoa powder,
150 grams of cocoa powder,
then 2 teaspoons of salt,
2 teaspoons of salt,
then desired quantity of browning.
desired quantity of browning. Have you taken down the recipe? Are you? Yes. Don't forget, this is the 10th recipe, oil-based chocolate cake. Go Chioma.
So now I'm adding my milk and oil
And oil.
into the mixing bowl. Then I'm going to pour in the sugar,
Well done, girl.
then we're going to add the salt, then I'll add the eggs, then brown in desired quantity. Then
Mix.
mix. You can use hand whisk, but I'm using hand and mixer.
You can use hand mix, but she's using the mixer to be very fast. This is the 10th recipe, oil-based chocolate cake. Oil-based chocolate cake. PMAX supply all the mixes here for us. Shout out to PMAX, we see you and we're using your products. God bless you.
So now I'm going to add the flour, the cocoa powder, and the baking powder. So here I'm using 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So I'm going to stir. And I'm going to add the dry ingredients. So I'm going to add everything, then pour in my water, the warm water. Then mix everything together.
Well done, girl. I hope you're taking notes. I hope you're watching.
So I'm going to scrape the sides of my bowl.
More people are coming. You're highly welcome to the big race. The recipe queen is setting the record, 24 hours, 50 recipes and more. Well done, girl. We'll see you.
So now my cake batter is ready. So I'm going to stir, then I'm going to see. You know, earlier I did not sieve my cocoa powder because I know I'm going to sieve the butter at the end of the day. So now we are going to sieve our butter.
The 10th recipe. Coming true, coming true, coming true. The 10th recipe. Oil-based chocolate cake. I hope you're taking notes. I hope you're writing. I hope you're watching and seeing what's happening.
So the reason why I'm doing this is because at times some cocoa powder, they're like sand, they give that sandy effect. But if you sieve your butter, you won't experience that.
Sieve your butter.
So you need an iron sieve to do this.
Iron sieve to sieve your butter. Oil-based chocolate cake.
Or your strainer, iron strainer, metal strainer.
Metal strainer. Iron sieve. You're taking notes, don't forget. The 10th recipe, oil-based chocolate cake. Ongoing by the one and only Chioma, the recipe queen, giving us more than 50 recipes in 24 hours. Well done, girl.
So now, this is our cake batter.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Hollandia team. Where is our masseuse? Come to me. Where is our masseuse? Thank you, thank you. Over to you, ma'am.
Sorry. So the Hollandia team is here to support the girl. They've supplied us with Hollandia. If you know you drank Hollandia today, make some noise! Make some noise for the Hollandia team. They supplied more than 100 bottles of Hollandia. More to come. They've served us cocktails and cocktails. They served us Hollandia strawberry and yogurt. Shout out to the team. We'll see you. We love you. We appreciate you. God bless you for everything. You're the recipe queen. Not forget to also have Golden Penny oil on the building. Seaway water, Nestle water, Grand oil, Grand oil, Grand oil. If you want to make the chocolate oil-based cake, Grand oil is there for you. Grand oil, make sure you give my people oil. Tomorrow on Sunday, they need to cook rice. They need to bake cake. So, Grand oil, relief oil for my people, not try on. I didn't wash it out. Even I don't share oil to the wahala for me. Grand oil will see you next to water, seaway water. Taruna Madrid. They've given to people 15 kg, 10 kg Madrid today. Well done, we'll see you. And all the partners here in shop from Port Harcourt, thank you for coming here. Not forgetting Red TV. They've been under the rain since 12 o'clock till now. They are under the rain. Thank you, Red TV. And to all my anchors on ground, we have Hype Extra in the building. Basabi MC is also here. And not forgetting, my name is ANITA on the MIC. I see you. We'll be back in another 5 minutes. God bless you.